Hello kids. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Now, usually we start our day with prayer. So today we also start our day with prayer. Okay, ready? Okay. Now, stand properly. Join your hands and close your eyes. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now open your eyes and now we will do yoga. So, ready for yoga? Now we will do Tadasana. Okay. Now, stand straight. Lock your fingers. Stand up on your toes and stretch your body upper side. Hold it few seconds. Very good. Now, down your hands and feel relaxed. Okay kids, कर रहे हो ना सब? Very good. Okay, one more time. Stand straight. Lock your fingers. Stand up on your toes and stretch your body upper side. Hold it few seconds. Very good. Now, down your hands and feel relaxed. Very good.
You also feel relaxed.
Now we will do Trikonasana. Okay, which asana? Trikonasana. So ready, kids? Okay. Now, apart your leg, hands by your side. Touch your left toe. Touch your left toe with your right hand. Okay. So do like this. Don't bend your knees. Hold it few seconds. Okay, back to your position. Relax. Now do it again. Apart your leg. Hand by your side. Touch your right toe with your left hand. Touch your right toe with your left hand. Okay? Do like this. Don't bend your knees. Hold it few seconds. Okay, now back to your position. Now one more time. Ready? Apart your leg. Hands by your side. Touch your left toe with your right hand. Okay? Now do like this. Hold it few seconds. Now back to position. Now relax. Again. Apart your leg. Hands by side. Now touch your right toe with your left hand. Okay? Do like this. Hold it 2 seconds and don't bend your knee. Back to your position. Now relax. Now kids, we learn about gender. Okay? Now look at here. Who is she? She is a girl. She is a girl. And girls wear frock, this type of hat, also use scarf and skirt. Okay. Now wear sandal, this type of sandal, and tie pony. Okay. Now we can say she is girl because she wears frock, hat, use scarf, right? Okay. Now look at here. Who is he? He is boy. Boy has a short hair. He cannot tie pony. He also wears pant, shirt, t-shirt, cap, shorts, and his shoes is also different. Look here. Okay. Then we can say he is boy. Okay, now what is this? What is this? This is girl. This is girl. And which type of clothes she wear? Girls wear frock and skirt. Look. Top, this type of top, and skirt. Girls wear top and skirt. Okay, now here I have some clothes, some more clothes of girls. Look, this is a frock, and girls wear a frock. Okay, now look at here. Girls also tie a pony. Girls also tie a pony. And she has a long hair. Some girls has a short hair, but mostly girls tie a pony. And wear earrings, necklace, bangles, apply a bindi, apply a lipstick, and also apply nail polish. Do you like nail polish or lipstick, girls? Yes. Okay, very good. So we can say she is a girl because she is wearing frock, she is tied a pony, she is also wear earrings, necklace, bangles, apply bindi. Okay, so it is called girl. Okay, now what is this? He is a boy, and boy cannot wear frock. He cannot tie pony because he has a short hair. Boy has a short hair. Okay, all boys. Hello, all boys. Have you short hair? Yes. Okay, and boys wear t-shirt, shorts, pant. Okay, and he cannot apply a bindi, lipstick, nail polish. cannot wear earrings, necklace, bangles. Okay. Okay. Then so we can say he is a boy. Right? He is a boy. And she is a girl. Because girl also wear hairband. Boy cannot wear hairband. Girls have a long hair. Boys have a short hair. Okay. So this is our gender explanation. We can say this is a girl because she wears shorts, frock, skirt, tie a pony, and boy wears only shorts, t-shirt, shirts, and he has a short hair. Okay. Okay, kids. Now I have some boys wear. Boys wear pant and t-shirt. So look at here, difference between girls wear and boys wear. Okay, girls wear frock and boys wear t-shirt and pant. Okay. And now I have shoes. This is boys' shoes and this is girls' sandal. So here also difference between shoes. Okay. Yesterday we had learned about myself. Do you know, kids? Okay. Myself. So today we revise about myself. Okay. Okay. Ready? So yesterday I teach you some question. Remember? Yes. So today I will ask you again. Okay. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name, kids? Then what will you reply? What will you reply? Yes, my name is Raksha Shukla. Whatever your name, right? My name is Raksha Shukla. And whatever your name, you have to reply whatever your name is. Okay. Whatever your name is. Okay. Now, second. How old are you? How old are you? Reply me fast. How old are you? I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. Okay, done. Now, next. In which standard do you study? In which standard do you study? Reply me fast. Come on. Okay. I study in senior KG. I study in senior KG. Very good. Now next. Where do you live? Where do you live? Reply me. I can't listen. Say loudly. Okay. I live in Surat. I live in Surat. Okay, next. What is your school name? What is your school name? Already you know na? What is your school name? My school name is AG's International Preschool. My school name is AG's International Preschool. Okay, done? Okay, repeat it again. Okay, first. Okay, first sentence. My name is Raksha Shukla. Whatever your name is, you have to say. Okay. Now second. I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. Okay. Now third. I study in senior KG. I study in senior KG. Now fourth. I live in Surat. I live in Surat. And last, my school name is Aegis International Preschool. Okay, done. Okay, kids. Now, anybody ask you about yourself. So, how will you reply? Now see. My name is Raksha Shukla. What is your name is? I am 5 years old. I study in senior KG. I live in Surat. My school name is Aegis International Preschool. Now junior KG, you have. Okay kids, in junior KG, you had already learned small a to z. It's a simple small a to z. Okay. Now we will revise it again. Okay. Ready?
First ready.
Okay. Now first simple small a. How to write simple small a? You know already now. So A for apple. Now it's a simple small a. How to write it? First half circle and standing line and like that. Okay. Okay. Now B. How to write small b, standing line and half circle. Okay, done? Very good. Now C. Half circle. Okay? And D. Standing line and half circle. Okay, look at here. You have to write A in only blue line. Okay? And you have to write B red line to blue line. You have to write B red line to blue line. You have to write C only in blue line and B red line to blue line. Okay, done? Very good. Okay, now what comes after D? E. And how to write small e? Look. Okay, we have to write E only in blue line. Okay, done? Now what comes after E? F for fees. And how to write F? Like this. You have to write F in red line to blue line. Done? Okay. Now what comes after F? G. Now G, you have to write G blue line to red line. Okay, which line? Blue line to red line. And how to write G? Like this. Half circle and J for joker. Okay. Now what comes after G? H. And how to write H? Standing line and curve. And you have to write H red line to blue line. Okay, done? Now, what comes after H? how to write I? Standing line and dot. You have to write I only in blue line. Only in blue line. Okay? And what comes after I? J. You have to write J, blue line to red line. Blue line to red line. Okay? Very good. What comes after J? K. You have to write K, red line to blue line. And how to write K? Standing line and two small slanting lines. Okay? Now, what comes after K? Speak loudly. What comes after K? Add. And how to write add? On the standing line. Very easy now. And you have to add. You have to write add red line to blue line. Okay, understand? Yes or not? Yes. Very good. Okay. What comes after add? And. How to write and? Like this. And you have to write and only in blue line. Only in blue line. Now, what comes after and? And. And how to write and? Okay, done. Okay. You have to write and only in blue line. Okay. Now, what comes after and? O. Simple circle. And you have to write O only in blue line. Okay. Now, what comes after O? P. P कैसे आएगा? You have to write P blue line to red line. Blue line to red line. Okay. And now, what comes after P? Q. And how to write Q? Half circle. And you have to draw standing line, blue line to red line. Blue line to red line. Now R. How to write R? Like this. And we have to write R only in blue line. Okay, done? Okay. Now what comes after R? As. You have to write as only in blue line. Okay. Now what comes after as? T. And how to write T? Like this. And you have to write T, red line to blue line. Okay, done? सब कर रहे हैं ना बराबर? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Now, what comes after T? U. And how to write U? Like this. You have to write U only in blue line. Okay. What comes after U? V. How to write V? Very simple. Simple, na? And you have to write V only in blue line. Okay, done. What comes after V? W. Do like this. W. You have to write W only in blue line. Okay. And what comes after W? X. You have to write only in blue line. Okay. Now next, what comes after X? Y. Okay. Now you have to write Y, blue line to red line. Okay, done? Very good. And what comes after Y? Z. You have to write Z only in blue line. Okay? Very good. Then everyone understand which letter you have to write in blue line, which letter you have to write red line to blue line, and which letter you have to write blue line to red line. Okay, everyone. This worksheet na, this two worksheet number 3 and 4. Okay, and I already teach you line concept about small a to z. Okay, then you have to follow it in this worksheet. Do it properly. Okay, okay then bye.